going on, YouTube fam? Guess what? We're going to a TeamXaccord meet. All my boys are here. Got one right here. Check this out. That is nice. We got one right here. He just swapped the taillights from V1s to V3s. That looks dope. And catless downpipe right there. And then he swapped his taillights from V3s to V1s. Nice. He's on the last one?
You got the hero?
Yeah. That's me. I'm about to head out soon.
So I bought the red one. I don't like tinted.
We got Ace right here. Chilling. You got anything done in the back yet or not?
Nothing crazy.
For those who haven't followed him yet or subscribed, it's right there.
No, nothing yet. I gotta respray this one.
Oh yeah. The salt, everything?
Yeah.
Looks clean though. Nice. Yeah, check out his 21-inch wheels. That is insane. He's got his side skirts. Look at that. That is dope. Side skirts. It's nice. Then we got another one pulling up. About to head out together. Yeah. It's lit. Look at him show off with these lights. He's showing off. Guys, check this out. That is dope. That Acura right here. Beautiful. Look at that side splitters. Nice. That is dope. Keeps going, guys. It keeps going. Keeps going. Look at that. Lowered.
That's mine, bro.
Yeah. Nice. Waiting on some people to pull up.
That's Blanco?
No. Yeah. All these setups.
You smoke with me? Peace, rest in peace. Who got a brother? Phantom so big, can't even fit in the box. Let's go down.
Check this one out. We got tints and looks aggressive. It's really nice. They just showed up, my subscribers. Thanks to them, of course. Made it even better to meet. Check this one out. You guys know who this is? Ace, why you coming here, bro? Ace trying to steal my subscribers. But it's all good though. I'll put his link in the description below to subscribe to him. He just started a YouTube channel on Accord as well. But yeah, this is bad. Yeah, you guys know who this is. Ghost Falcon. Hit him up on Instagram. And setup is nice. Well, you guys know mine already. That's me. I'm on my third lip now. That's Kaisi underscore. This is an IG if you guys want to follow him. It's right there. Nice. Now we got Hash. Did you get it? Did you get your thing yet?
What?
Decal?
What
What's
decal?
your
Instagram?
Instagram, bro?
Hashbrown.joy. I didn't get no decal.
Hashbrown.joy.
Yeah.
Put it up here or somewhere here. Follow him on Instagram, guys. Hit him up. That looks dope. And we got this one lowered here. This is nice. So aggressive.
That's just on springs.
It's on springs too. You got spring set up. That's nice. Look at that, so aggressive. And then follow him, Flacco on IG. You guys seen his setup before. It's really nice, very aggressive. Those 21-inch wheels. Where's his IG at? Right here. That's him, guys. Just, follow him on IG. Wanna hit him up on Springs, maybe set up if you guys want to ask him some questions. There you go, it says IG. Follow him, guys, hit him up. Yeah, this one is dope. It's a 2.0. Wow, that's a beauty right here. Look at this, clean, guys. That is clean. Front, very aggressive. It's got the lip that matches the paint. Yeah, that is really nice. You got the side skirts at the bottom. Those are really good looking. Makes the car looks like it's lowered. But yeah. And then this one is down with the white body kit. Looks really good. But I forgot what version these are. The bottom reflectors, but those are dope. Got quad tips, there you go. And then it's a V1's up here. Looking sexy. And then the carbon fiber louvers. If you guys don't know how it looks, that's how it looks in person. On the camera you'll see different maybe, but that's how it looks. That's the wheels. Really dope wheels right there. Really nice. Check out this carbon fiber. Got the carbon fiber side mirrors. Those, they're flush, they're not flush, they're popped out. You got spacers right there, as you guys can see. Yeah, it looks really nice. Carbon fiber from the front. That's the setup from the front. Then we got a beautiful Acura right here. Look at this. Yeah, that's passion right there. Someone maintaining Acura like this, that's stunning. That's gorgeous. Look at that. I like the spokes. It's kind of concave. There's Parada. Yeah, Parada wheels. With that side skirt. That's a beautiful setup. Look at the concave wheels right there. See? With a different angle you guys could see. See your legs. That's nice. And then from this view right here, that's clean. course, we got. We're about to see it get aired out. It's on bags. That's to the ground.
Again.
Again and again. That is dope.
Yeah, it is.
HKS VOV valve right there.
How'd you install it?
So we're gonna go ahead and hear the sound of it.
Take this out, and take the
Nice.
bypass valve out, and this thing right here.
Yeah, it's a pain, man, to get it done.
You can't hear it, bro. You gotta
Since he started YouTube channel with his Oakman designs. Louvers and sides, just the glossy ones, and window visors on the sides. That's the Oakman designs right here. Check this out, V-Force diffuser. Got the spoiler in the back. The roof spoiler. Again, subscribe and follow him on IG if you want to. He's starting his YouTube channel fresh, so get on it. If you like his setups or have any questions about his, Oakman designs and everything like that, or need a night picture of it, just hit him up on IG. It looks really good. And then he has the claw up here. Then we got this one a few days ago. It's stock right now, but it's gonna get work done to it. It's stock right now. But yep, this is nice. He's happy. Yeah, not much done to it. Nothing really done to it right now, but it's gonna get worked on. All right, guys, I'll get some clips ahead, see what happens.